Hello, we're with John Guthrie and
Tyler.
and Tyler.
Okay, it's working now. Okay, so don't push any other buttons. All right, so here we go.
We're live. In 3, 2, 1. Bird searcher, and we are going in John Guthrie's yard, and we just found a amazing bird. So let's get under here.
Hi guys, John.
So we're with so we have this bird thing right here,
Because Caroline's
right
doing
here,
a movie.
and that's it right there. Okay, we are going to get up more. There we go. So we're in the forest right now behind John's yard. We're pulling it down just a little bit. So yeah.
Yeah.
And then, okay, so thank you for watching. Bye. How do we turn it off?
Hit the red